U.S. warship armed with world's best stealth jet and 2,200 Marines prowls near North Korea. Assault ship USS Wasp is about to arrive at the U.S. Navy's base in Yokosuka, Japan, to pick up a payload of F-35B warplanes. The 40,000-ton vessel is a miniature aircraft carrier, and the jets will be able to take off vertically from its decks. U.S. forces keep a large cohort of Marines and warplanes on alert in Japan and use the island nation as base for its mighty 7th Fleet. War fears loom with nearby North Korea as Kim Jong-un still refuses to give up his quest for nuclear ICBMs. Tensions have cooled as Kim appeared open for talks, but U.S. forces continue to prowl around the Korean peninsula. I too have a nuclear button, but it is a much bigger and more powerful Trump. USS Wasp is due to arrive in Japan today and will pick up fighter jets at the U.S. Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni. F-35s can climb to heights of 50,000 feet and fly at speeds of more than 1,200 miles per hour, with some theories they could even shoot down nukes. The warship will also host a force of 2,200 Marines. USS Wasp will then begin operations as part of the 7th Fleet, reportedly to deter both North Korea and China. Japanese media reports sources claim the warship is to send a message to the two nations. Commanders at the U.S. Pacific Fleet sent the Wasp to Japan back in August. However, the move was delayed due to relief operations as hurricanes lashed the U.S. U.S. Navy officials have described the vessels as the centerpiece of an outgunned expeditionary strike group. Elsewhere, supercarrier USS Carl Vinson is also due to return to the Korean peninsula. Back in August, Captain Andrew Smith said, "This move ensures that our most technologically advanced air warfare platforms are forward deployed. Our capabilities, paired with the F-35B Joint Strike Fighter, increases our Navy's precision strike capabilities within the 7th Fleet region." Wasp will help America's commitment to the maritime security and stability in the Indo-Asia-Pacific. Representative Will Hurd says that he knows from his undercover experience that you have to tough on tough guys, and Trump's tactics will work on North Korea. North Korea and the South are due to begin talks this week as Kim appears to have a new start in 2018. However, the nuclear-mad dictator has shown no signs of giving up his weapons and continues to clash with U.S. President Donald Trump. The U.S. president tweeted, "I too have a nuclear button, but it is a much bigger and more powerful one than his, and my button works." Daily Star Online revealed experts believe 2018 will be the year the US and North Korea come to blows over Kim's nukes.